We all use salt, but do we know where the salt originates from? Well, in this episode of the CSR Journal, I, Swapna, will take you to the place where salt originates. I am talking about India's largest inland salt lake, and that is Sambar Salt Lake. Situated in Rajasthan, spreading across 2030 square kilometers, Sambar has been producing salt for over 1000 years now. It was even producing salt in Mughal era. Yes. What makes Sambar very beautiful? When you reach Sambar, you will see a train carrying this salt and traveling across this white salt patch. It is a surreal sight. Beneath there is white patch and blue sky, making this a breathtaking experience. During winter, from the month of October till March, this place is even more heavenly because migratory birds such as flamingos and ducks, they travel thousands of kilometers from Siberia and Central Asia, and they come to Sambar. Now, why do they do so? They do so because Sambar is their feeding ground. This wetland is rich in microorganisms and such nutrients which these birds feed on, and which is very much important, especially for flamingo, because the algae which is present in Sambar Salt Lake is the reason behind their pink, beautiful wings. Looking after the ecological importance, Sambar has been considered and added by UNESCO in the world's Ramsar site. It is a protected site and hence it is preserved. Sambar is not only important for its salt, but as you have come to know through this video, the migratory birds are very important for ecotourism. So when it comes to Sambar, it is nature's beauty, salt and ecological importance which make it a breathtaking sight. Besides all this important thing, what is a major important factor is the community residing nearby Sambar, because they are dependent on this salt lake as they work here as daily labor. So when in Sambar, don't miss this opportunity to have a glance at this wetland. For more such videos, stay connected with us. Signing off, Swapna from the CSR Journal.